Hi, my name is Meg, and today I'll be showing you around the Dardic and Nemrov Residential College, also known as Darnem. So over here we have the Dardic Residential Hall, where first year students live, and then back over here behind me we have the Nemrov Residential Hall, where second year students have the option to live. Like every residential hall here on the South 40, Dardic and Nemrov has their own house colors and house mascot. So Dardic and Nemrov's colors are red and white, and their mascot is the phoenix. Welcome to the first floor of Dardic. Come on in. So over here we have a common space, a little lounge with lots and lots of places to sit, study. There's even a bookshelf, fireplace. We also have a TV for movie nights. And then right off the common room, we have a little library that has a piano in it and some desks and seating area. Back in here, we have a kitchen. So this kitchen has a stove, fridge, sink, everything you need in a kitchen. There is one kitchen with a stove in each residential hall, and then there are small kitchenettes on each floor, which we'll show later. A few more chairs. Over here, down the hallway of the first floor of Dardic, we have a seminar room. So this is a really large space that's great for meeting, with clubs, or honestly, just with your friends. Drinking fountains, water bottle filler, nice to have. We've also got some restrooms, and then in here we have the multi-purpose room. Here, we have a music practice room. Here we have a vending machine, we have an ice machine, lots of ice, and then we have the laundry room. Also on the first floor of Dardic, we have a computer lab. So this has like study space, and then it also has computers that you can use. We have a printer in each residential hall, so you don't have to leave the building if you want to print. And then a study space in the back. At the end of the hallway, we have a staircase that goes up. So there's staircases on both ends of the floor. And there's also an elevator. And to the left when you walk in Dardic, we have a staircase that goes up the stairs. There are two study rooms on each floor of Dardic and Nemrov. Here is one of them. Here we are in one of the lounges in Dardic. So we've got some more seating areas, tables. This room has a lot of windows. And then back over here in the corner, there is a kitchenette. There's the oven on the first floor, but then the other floors have a fridge, microwave, some cabinets for storage and things. And now we're back in the hallway. The elevator is in a very convenient spot. Dardic is modern housing. So this means that you will share a modern double with one other person, and then you'll share a bathroom with one other suite of two people. So there are two rooms having kind of a Jack and Jill situation where you're sharing one bathroom. So 4 people in a suite, one other person in your room. Welcome to a Dardic modern double.
As you can see, Dardic comes with a dresser and a desk chair. It also comes with the bed and the mattress. They're all Tempur-Pedic mattresses, which is really nice. So you have this nice study space. There's also a hutch on top of the desk, and then there's a closet for each student in the room. The bathroom has a shower, 2 sinks, and then a stall for the toilet. Here's the entry hallway into the room.
On the second floor of Dardic, you have access to this little kind of balcony situation. So right across here, you can see Nemrov. And then back here, we've kind of got some parking, and we've got a lot of our athletic views. You can see softball practicing right there right now. Right down here is Shepley Drive, so this is the main drive that goes to the court. Welcome to Nemrov. So again, this is the residential hall for second year students who live in. And here we have a nice little common area. So the first floor has some different amenities, so I'll show you some of those. Here is the full kitchen on the first floor of Nemrov. So back in here we have seminar room A. We also have a printer in here as well. This is seminar room B. Seminar room C, very similar to room B in terms of the amount of space. And then also on the first floor we have a laundry room, and then we have some vending machines. Laundry room, pretty similar to Dardic. Here's one of the study rooms in Nemrov. And then here is the kitchenette on one of the floors of Nemrov. So as you can see, a lot of the amenities are very similar. Each floor typically has 2 study rooms, a lounge, a kitchenette, And then there's laundry and study seminar rooms, typically on the first floor. That's it for now. If you're living here next year, welcome to Dardic and Nemrov.